Good morning guys! So I am Vern Segundo, one of the financial educators in IMG. So today, didiscuss ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung tinuturo natin sa IMG. So using the book guys, ito yung book natin. So The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future, Become Your Own Financial Educator. So ang tinuturo natin sa IMG, kailangan natin ng solid financial foundation. So it's a step-by-step process. So unang-una, kailangan natin ng healthcare. So ano ba yung healthcare na yun? May dalawang klase. First is yung short-term healthcare. So yung short-term healthcare na yun, binibigay ng company pag nag-work tayo. Pero kapag nag-resign tayo or retire, eventually tatanggalin yung benefit na yun. So yung pangalawang healthcare is yung long-term healthcare. So someone to take care of you when you get old or you retire. So dapat pa lang habang malakas pa tayo, meron na tayong ganun, kumukuha na tayo. Para in case na we live too long, hindi tayo aasa sa mga anak natin in the future. And then next is protection. So if you're a breadwinner or may umaasa sa'yo na sa income mo, so kailangan properly protected ka. In case you die too soon, hindi maghihirap yung family mo. So even though you're physically not present, di ba? Pero yung income mo nandun pa rin to support them kung ano man yung mga pangangailangan nila. And then third is debt management. So syempre dapat as much as possible wala tayong utang. Or kung meron mang utang, dapat i-zero out yun. Kasi ang debt management or utang ay isang anay sa pagbibuild ng wealth. Next is emergency fund. Diba normally mga typical na Pinoy is may mga emergencies pero normally walang funds, diba? So very ironic. So kailangan natin talaga guys, if you're single, you need at least 3 to 6 months of your monthly income. So assuming na nag-earn ka ng 20,000, so you need at least 60 to 120,000. And then if you have a business or you're married, at least 1 year para in case mawalan ng trabaho or may mga emergency sa bahay, makakabangot pa rin, di ba? And pinakalas talaga dyan guys is investment. So ano ba yung investment na yun? So either sa mutual funds, stocks, or real estate. Pinakahuli siya kasi in case na ever gusto ko lang naman mag-invest sa stocks, and for example nag-invest ka tapos nagkasakit ka, eventually ipo-pull out mo yun eh. So it should be solid yung mga finances natin, di ba? Like building a house, di ba? Nakita ba natin na ang inuuna is bubong? Di ba sa foundation naman yung inuuna? So ganun din sa finances natin. So sabi dito sa book guys is financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. So by the way, kung magiging member ka ng IMG at i-apply mo na itong mga concept na tinuturo, why not na mag-enroll ka din sa IMG? So ang IMG is, I'm sure may mga membership cards kayo like SNR, sa ano pa ba mga membership cards, sa Mercury National Bookstore. So may mga privilege, di ba? Eventually may mga discounts na kapag hindi ka member, hindi mo ma-avail. So ganun din sa IMG. So si IMG, it's a membership benefit platform, okay? So para siyang SNR and then or as SM Advantage. And then ano bang mapapala mo pag maging member ka ng IMG? So syempre, yung financial education. And then meron ka ring access to financial products and services. So eventually, babypass mo yung middleman. And then you can save money on the financial products and services na i-avail mo. So let's start. Okay? So first benefit is yung free financial education or mga seminars. Okay? So, sabi dito, financial ignorance can make you poor. So, totoo naman eh. Sa school naman before, hindi naman tinuturo paano mag-save, paano mag-invest, di ba? So, sa IMG, it's like a school. Tapos, may application na rin. Okay? And then, number 2 is free financial checkup. Ano ba yung financial checkup na yan? So, di ba sa corporate world, merong annual physical exam. So, purpose nun is kung mag-gauge kung healthy pa ba or may mga dapat bang bawasan. So ganun din, sa free financial check-up, i-gauge kung positive ba or negative yung cash flow. And then third is exclusive benefits sa associate financial planner. So magiging associate registered financial planner ka or registered financial planner na license na nagtuturo about financial education. And then access, guys. So ito na yun, yung sinasabi kong kailangan natin ng healthcare. So si Kaiser, meron siyang long-term healthcare, short-term healthcare, and senior care. And then next is exclusive discount or access to multiple options super term, most 18. So ito yung life insurance. So for my age, 28, siguro mga 5'7 or 5'8 lang babayaran ko for a 1 million life insurance coverage per year. So, di ba, it's very cheap. And then Fidelity Life, worth 50,000 life insurance. So you only need to pay 500 pesos for this one. So in case na may mangyari sa IMG member, may ma-receive yung family na 50,000. And then access to free investment seminars, mutual funds at zero entry fee. So ito yung indirect stock trading or indirect investing rather. So kapag mag-invest ka through IMG, walang bawas yung pera mo. 'Di ba kapag nag-direct ka dito sa mga mutual fund companies na 'yan, kakaltasan ng normally 3 to 5% ng entry fee per transaction. So malaki yung matitipid mo kapag IMG member ka. And then if you want to manage your money, gusto mo ikaw na bahalang bumili ng shares ng Jollibee or SM. So may access din tayo dyan. Ang provider natin is MyTrade. And then next is yung IMG Dominate tool. So I'm sure familiar kayo sa Lazada. So every time na may mga promos sila, may mga email. So email marketing. So ganun din sa IMG, meron din email marketing tool na para i-promote yung financial literacy, guys. Right. So services. O syempre, kung merong wedding financial planner, meron ding memorial planner through Everest. So it's a memorial concierge services. And then next is asset preservation services. So di ba normally pag namatay yung breadwinner or yung mga lolo natin, bago ma-transfer yung properties, nagbabayad sila ng estate tax. So dito gagawing corporation yung mga ari-arian nyo. So in case may matay, it's a change name lang. So walang babayaran na estate tax sa government. And then next is yung IMG Auto program. So if you want to avail discounts sa car purchase nyo, any model, any brand. So ang gagawin lang dito is magpapakode sa dealer and then isend yung quotation sa IMG, and si IMG and dealer mag-uusap kung magkano ba yung pwedeng mabigay na discount. And then number 13 is yung discount sa Globe. So ito yung mga like load or Wi-Fi, so may discount din doon. And then discounts, save money on your non-life insurances. So kung meron kang car, travel, bahay, gusto mong ipa-insure, so meron din dyan, may discounts pa rin dito. And then members discount from real estate companies. So syempre like SMBC, Ayalnan, DMCI, Vistalat, and yung bago natin partner is Megaworld. So if you want to buy a condo or a house, may discount ka rin through kasi IMG member ka di ba? And then Haven of Infinity. So kung familiar kayo sa Heritage Park, so it's a form of real estate din. So Haven of Infinity is located in Batangas. So maganda rin pala siyang investment. Okay? And then discounts on special courses. So if you want to talk online, and then kung gusto mong gumawa ng book, tapos 24/7 passive selling machine, yung email marketing, and then case study sa mga foreclosure properties, nandito rin. And then kung mag-aral ka sa informatics, may discount din sa short courses, higher education, degree or diploma. So ano pa ba yung mga benefits? So So, IMG Vision Care. So, yung Vision Care na yun is free na yung frame tapos lens lang babayaran. So, mayroon kang 2 frames per year. And then, pag IMG member ka rin, may free unlimited consultation for members and discounted medical services for members and their immediate families. So, syempre, malaking tipid din yun, di ba? Pag nagpa-check up, may mga discounts. Okay? So, 24, access to ozone therapy at members price. So, itong technology na to, if they want to look, feel young, lalo yun na yung mga senior citizens, di ba? So, nag-undergo sila ng ozone therapy. And then, be in the financial industry. So, own your business, become a financial educator, own your time. Online system, help families achieve the income you want and become debt-free. So, may business opportunity rin sa IMG, guys. And then next is travel the world. So, vacations, cruise, and conventions. So, sa darating na October, guys, pupunta ulit kami sa Macau for convention. So, yung convention na yun is for IMG members, and then dinidiscuss doon yung mga benefits, concepts, and at the same time nakapag-travel ka with a purpose, okay? And then world-class recognition. So kung marami ka nang natulungan sa IMG, a-awardan ka ng ring, pins, relo, and then car. So last annual convention sa SMX, nagbigay sila ng isang sasakyan. So it's a Ford Everest. And then meron ding free HMO coverage for MDs, SMDs, and executives. So ito short term siya, parang sa company natin, sa binibigay ng corporate company natin nung pinag-workan natin. So ganun din siya. So sa IMG, it's a one-stop shop, guys. You bypass the middleman and then may discounts ka. So sobrang ganda nun, di ba? So feel free to message me if you like this.